Hi, what's up YouTube? In today's video, we're going to be installing some LED light strips on the C8 Corvette, and they're gonna go right underneath the dash on both sides. And this is the kit right here. If you wanna check out this awesome product, I'll leave the link down in the description below for you, but it's actually made by Govee. And the great thing about this setup is you can just plug it into a cigarette lighter, and you can also download an app and control all the light settings and all the different functions. So I'll show you what's in the box and show you what it looks like after it's all installed. So I took everything out of the box. So you get your user manual and your LED light strips. You get 2 sets of them. And this is the control button right here that has a double back taping. And the LED strips themselves also have double back taping. And this is a cigarette lighter plug that goes in, and this is the button for it. It also comes with some tie wraps. All right, so I'd highly recommend that you use some masking tape to kind of dry fit everything. So I'm gonna go with this setup right here where I have one LED strip right over here. I haven't tucked in the wires or anything. I'm just kind of dry fitting everything. And I have the other strip right over here, and then it's plugged in right here. I got this first piece down nice and tight right here. And so what I did was I tucked that wire all underneath here. Let me go and do this part to show you briefly. I'm just tucking it right underneath this panel right here, and it hides nicely. Can't even tell I have anything in there, see? And then definitely whenever you install the LED strips with the double back taping, you want to make sure that you clean it off with some alcohol and then dry it off with a paper towel. So look at this right here. It's kind of hard to see it, but all that dirt, grease, or what have you is going to make it hard for the LED strip to adhere to the surface. So I'm going to go ahead and feed the rest of this LED strip over here through the main center console part here and pull it through this side. So let me go ahead and pull this out. You can see it getting pulled just like that. And this part is going to go back here, and then this piece is going to go underneath my dash. All right, so total install time took about 45 minutes between trying to dry fit things and clean things off and install it. And what made it easier was the fact that I could feed the rest of the LED lights through the center console part of the vehicle. So as you can see right here, this part is installed, wires tucked underneath there, no wires. Follow along over here, wires are all tucked underneath these panels. The LED strip light is actually right there. And then the wire is tucked right over there. And all the wires are tucked in this corner right over here. I fed the LED light through that little corner. And I'm gonna go on to the other side. So this is the other side. I've fed the wire and the LED lights through that little pocket right over there. So you can see this side, the LED lights are right here. Let me see if I can get a little bit closer here, right there. And you can see how the wires are nice and tucked. You don't even see it at all, especially when you're sitting down or standing up. And then the wires are tucked all the way underneath here past the panel over here, and then inside here, no wires at all along here, and for the last back strip right there. So all that's left now is to turn it on and show you what it looks like. So here's the driver's side lights right underneath the dashboard, and then this one's behind the seat. Gives a really nice effect. You can see it kind of glowing behind the seat. And then the complete illumination of the bottom part of the mat there looks really nice. And then this is the other side. Looks way better in person. It's kind of hard to show all the lighting. But let me go ahead and show you this other side. This is the passenger side here. All right, I'm on the Govee app right here, and I'm gonna show you the different colors. So you can have it go to, like, say, orange, yellow. It's kind of hard to see it. There's light blue, purple, purple. There is green and white. And you have different settings on here that you can go under. All right, so here's what it looks like from the inside. I have the engine running, and here is what the bottom driver's side looks like. And I get a little bit of ambient light from the rear. So it kind of cascades on the door panel and even onto the chrome kind of satin speaker grille. And this is the passenger side. This is the light. And this is what it looks like from my side. You can kind of see the light back over there. So it gives a really nice feel. Really like it. Very cheap kit and good quality, easy to install. So here's a different setting I have called Fantasy. Kind of goes between like a blue and purple and white. Looks really cool. That's going to be it for today's video. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you all for watching.